Yes, we're still in Chilhowie Park in Knoxville, Tennessee, and yes, those are Marion County International Raceway stickers you're seeing on the quarter window of Jerry Wilson's 1968 GTX. This is a former AHRA record holder, ran in what's called DOA, which I'm not going to go any further than that. The mild changes under the hood are from the racing era. But again, the 68 GTX, of course, was the most deluxe B-body Plymouth you could get. Only motors available in it were the 440 and the Hemi. And this car's got multiple Marion County International Raceway decals in it. Ran around in Ohio during the AHRA's heyday when Jim Tice had all those racetracks up there. And as you know, the 68 GTX did not have a fresh air package on it yet. But the car was deluxe inside, as you can see, 150 mile an hour speedometer, floor shift, again the chrome trim, big GTX letterings on the rear quarter panel, and Magnum 500 wheels. So again, a very cool piece, cool racing history to it. Jerry's got a big book here that has all the records and things like that in there, showing the car's race wins and stuff like that. It's a bunch of race history pictures that ran in 7 different classifications during the time he raced it, on display with the car. So again, very, very neat to see this here. And gorgeous, gorgeous car. So it might be far from Marion County in Ohio, but it's here in Tennessee and it's looking good. Thanks, Jerry, for bringing it out.